Question 9. Explain why a program might need to store data in a file. So first of all, just a bit of context. What is a file? So from our lesson, hopefully, and your revision, you'll remember that if we've got data that's in RAM and we switch off the computer, because RAM is volatile, any data in RAM when it's switched off is lost. So when you power it back up, it's not there anymore. If we want to keep it permanently, we need to store it in a file on some secondary storage. So we've got a couple of marks there already by explaining that. So let's pop something down. So if we say data in RAM is lost when computer turned off, you could say because it's volatile, but we've got a point and we've got justification there, so that's got to give us 1 mark. Then we can then talk about text file. So a text file, or just a file stored on hard drive, or you could say stored on secondary storage, it wouldn't matter. And now we need to just justify that is permanent. So that's our second mark. And now we need to give a reason. In the mark scheme, there's a couple of reasons, but the 2 main reasons are the first one would be, so if you're playing a game, for example, and whilst you're playing the game, the progress is stored in RAM. You switch off the computer, switch it back on, you've lost your progress. If you wanted to pick up your progress, you'd need to store it as a file. So you could explain that given the example of a game, but you could just say something like data can be reused by software at a later date, or words to that effect. Or you could explain the example of a game. If you're playing a game, you won't lose your progress because the data is stored permanently, something like that. So there's a mark for that. The other one that it's in the mark scheme is data can be backed up, so you can copy it to another device. Data can be backed up. So either of those will pick you up a mark. Okay, so we'll go for the 3 marks there. So thank you very much. Let's go on to the next question.